Student retention is a key performance indicator. It's high on the list of things to monitor, and it's certainly a focus for the inspectorate. Some colleges have as high as 20% of students leaving within the first few weeks of a course. And as we move forward, even that is going to be monitored. The monitoring of students will start at day one, the moment they've got an attendance. So you need to be watching them right through the funneling process, from inquiry to applicant, right through the application process, so that you know that when they actually turn up and they get their first mark on that attendance register, they're going to be there for the rest of the course.
There are now over 1 million young people in the category of NEET, or just over 10% of 16 to 24-year-olds. And that is a real issue, especially when we're in the economic climate we're currently in. If we're going to actually get out of the current economic situation, we need people that are trained. And if we've got 10% of our 16 to 24-year-olds not taking part in training, that is an issue. We're hemorrhaging potential and creating a financial, social and economic long-term problem. And if we don't get on top of this and become fit for the future and stem this tide of NEETs, we are really facing a problem for the future. You really need to be able to get in there right at the beginning when there's a problem and solve it, and so be able to actually see when a student is showing signs that is likely to be dropping out there, and actually get in there and actually see if we can actually resolve it. And Unity has a number of data elements that allow you to sort of monitor that area. We can look at attendance. You know, if students are starting their attendance is starting to drop off, or they're starting not to hand in their assessments on time, that's giving indications that things are not going how they should. And then through effective pastoral care and the tutor getting in there, we can actually try and understand what the problem is, and maybe that they change course, or it may be that they just need additional support for them to actually get through that course. So Unity plays a critical role there in being able to provide that early warning system, as it were, such that you can get in and hopefully stop that student disappearing into the NEET category.